CompTIA Project Plus PK0-005. Practice Exam. Questions 81 through 85. This video is part of our practice exam video series and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great! Let's begin. Question 81. While reviewing the risk watch list, a project manager notices that the probability of one identified item occurring has increased. As a result, the item now requires more frequent monitoring and attention. Which of the following should the project manager update next? The answer is D. Risk Register. The Risk Register is the primary tool used to track identified risks throughout the project lifecycle. When a risk becomes more likely or its impact changes, the project manager must update the risk register to reflect the new probability, response strategies, and monitoring frequency. This ensures that risks remain visible, actively managed, and prioritized appropriately. A watch list is typically a subset of the risk register used to monitor low-priority risks, which may require escalation if their probability or impact increases. Question 82. A software development team is tasked with building a new reporting dashboard. To speed up the development process, the team reuses existing code from a third-party service that provides real-time data feeds. Which of the following IT components enables this type of integration? The answer is B. API. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of tools, definitions, and protocols that enables different software systems to communicate and work together. It allows developers to access specific features or data from another system without needing to understand its internal workings. In this scenario, the team is integrating real-time data feeds by reusing code made available through an API, which simplifies development and speeds up delivery by connecting systems efficiently. Question 83. While drafting the preliminary scope statement, a project manager realizes the current initiative closely resembles a completed project from the previous year. What is the most appropriate action the project manager should take next? The answer is D. Reuse artifacts from the prior project and adjust as needed. When a current project is similar to a past one, the project manager should look to reuse existing project artifacts, such as plans, scope statements, and lessons learned, and adapt them to meet the new project's success criteria. Leveraging these documents streamlines planning, promotes consistency, and helps reduce the risk of overlooking key elements that were already addressed in the prior project. This approach supports more efficient and informed project preparation. Question 84. At the end of a sprint, a developer was unable to finish a story because it was more complex than expected. The team realizes the work was too large to complete in one sprint. What should the Scrum team do next? The answer is B. Split the story into smaller tasks. In Agile, a user story is a small, defined unit of work that describes a feature or requirement from the end user's perspective. Stories should be sized to fit within a single sprint. If a story is too large or complex to complete within the sprint, the team should break it down into smaller, more manageable stories or tasks. This helps ensure future work is better estimated, completed on time, and continuously delivers value. Question 85. During the planning phase, a project manager hosted a meeting to finalize the meeting schedule, including frequency, timing, and the tools the team will use for collaboration. Which of the following documents should capture this information? The answer is A. Project Communication Plan. The Project Communication Plan outlines how information will be shared across the project team and stakeholders. This includes details like meeting frequency, communication methods, and collaboration tools. Establishing this plan during the planning phase ensures all participants are aligned on expectations and reduces the chance of miscommunication throughout the project. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did. It's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you are always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great content.